First, select the month you're in from this drop-down menu right here. As you can see, today's date is automatically highlighted. Next, start listing the habits you want to track, day by day, in this table. These right here are just a few of the habits I'm personally tracking with this planner. You can fully customize them to fit your own routine, lifestyle, or goals. Whether it's drinking more water, exercising, reading, or just unplugging before bed, it's totally up to you. Each day, simply check off the habits you've completed, like this. As you tick them off, the chart above automatically updates to show how your days are going throughout the month. It's a simple way to stay motivated and consistent. Here you can see your average habit completion level for the month so far. And just below that, this table shows your 6 most completed habits. It updates automatically as you go. Finally, this monthly overview gives you a clear row-by-row summary of how consistent you've been with each habit. To get started, begin by customizing your categories. You'll find a few of the most common ones already listed, but feel free to replace them with whatever fits your workflow best. Next, move on to the team section. If you're working with others, if this is a planner just for you, you can go ahead and leave that part blank. Now it's time to start adding your tasks. Just type in the task name here, and if you want, you can also include a short description just beside it. This helps you stay clear on what needs to be done, and why. You can fill these in manually, one by one, depending on what your day or week looks like. Next, use the drop-down menus to add more details to each task. Here you can choose the category you customized earlier, then set the priority, low, medium, or high depending on how urgent it is. You can also update the status of each task. And when a task is marked as completed, the checkbox on the left will automatically be checked. Finally, if you're working with a team, assign the task to the right person here. As you select each option, the charts above the table will update in real time, giving you a clear overview of your progress. Finally, enter the dates for each of your tasks. Start with the expected start date, the day you plan to begin working on the task. Then add the planned due date. If the due date is today, the due today box at the top will automatically update to reflect that. After that, enter the actual completion date, whenever you finish the task. If it's completed after the planned due date, the delay column will automatically show how many days late it was. And lastly, you can use the final column to add any comments or notes that help you keep track of important details or updates. The bonus tab for biweekly planning is fully automated. At the top, you'll see the number of tasks for the current week, and the exact dates for the week as well. Just below, you'll find charts that break down the status of your tasks for the current week, showing how many are completed, in progress, or still pending. You'll also see a visual overview of their priority levels, so you know exactly where your focus needs to be. At the bottom, you'll find the full list of tasks for the week. Each row shows the task name, its priority, current status, and due date, so you can quickly see what's coming up and what still needs attention. And everything you've just seen for the current week is automatically repeated for the upcoming week as well. No manual updates needed. The entire section is fully automated. In this final tab, you'll find a short introduction to the spreadsheet, along with a quick access button that takes you straight to my Etsy shop, where you can reach out to me anytime if you have questions or need help. Just below that, you'll see step-by-step instructions to help you get the most out of this tool. They're always there when you need a refresher. Happy planning!